Hi reception. So I thought I would set you a little PE challenge for today. It's a little bit cold and we need to warm up our bodies first before we get onto the challenge. So I'm going to put on a 2-minute timer, and maybe you could ask your grown-up to put a 2-minute timer on for you as well. And in that 2 minutes, we're going to do some warm-up exercises. You can either join in with me or you could think of your own warm-up exercises. Okay, so I'm going to put my 2-minute timer on. Off we go. Okay, we're going to start with some star jumps. Okay. Keep going. Okay, we're going to do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we're going to run on the spot. Okay. Just gonna do some jogging on the spot actually. Okay. Are you jogging with me? Okay, we are going to make a big circle with our arms. Well done. Okay, we're gonna go anti-clockwise. We're gonna go backwards with our arms. Let me see how long we've got. Keep going, we've got 1 minute left. Well done everyone. Okay, we're going to do some lunges to warm up our legs now. Are you ready? I'm gonna lunge. Oh, like you're a giant making some big steps, okay? I'm gonna go backwards. Oh, stretch those legs, everyone. Okay. Do you remember we do this one in PE, don't we? We're going to do some high knees. You're going to kick your knees right up to your body. Off you go. Let me see how long we've got. Keep going, keep going. Okay, we've got 20 seconds left. We're going to sprint on the spot for the last 10 seconds, and then we're going to do another exercise. Off you go. See how fast you can run. And we're gonna go out together, keep going. Nearly done. And there we go. Right, catch your breath. Oh, I'm a little bit out of breath. You might want to get a bit of water or a drink. Okay, I think we are ready to go for our next challenge, Okay, so for this challenge, you're going to need a timer. So it might be a stopwatch, or it might be maybe your grown-up's phone. Then you're going to need a piece of paper and a pen to write down your score. I've got a whiteboard and a pen, so you might want to use that maybe as well. And then you need a ball. It might be a small football like this, or it might be a bigger football, or if you want to challenge yourself, you might want to choose a smaller ball. So I thought I'm going to challenge myself today, so I've got a tennis ball. Okay, and then when I start, I'm going to put my 30-second timer on, which is half a minute, and in that time I need to see count how many times I can catch this tennis ball. Okay, and make sure that when you're throwing it up in the air, that it's above your head. And when you catch it, you're going to have your both hands underneath, and you're going to bring it towards your body, just like this. I'm going to watch the ball and bring it into my body. Okay, and when the timer stops, I'm going to write down my score. Okay, so see if you can count how many times you catch the ball within your timer. Okay. Right. Are you ready? Have you got your ball ready? Your choice of ball? Got my tennis ball. Good to go? You might want to pause the video if you haven't got it ready. Brilliant. Okay, got my 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, remember above your head, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I challenged myself that time. 15. Okay. Okay, so I got the score of 15 catches in 30 seconds. So, for my first one, I'm going to write the number 15. Is it 50 or is it 15? It's got that N on the end, hasn't it? So 15, I'm going to write my 1. Oh, my pen's running out. And a 5, okay. The number 15. That was what I scored for my first go. Okay. Do you think that I can get a higher score than 15? Do you think I can do it? I wonder if you can get a higher score than your first turn. Oh, okay. I wonder if you can get higher than 15 than Miss Tomlinson's first go. Bet you can. Okay, round 2, so I need my 30-second timer again on. So I'm going to 30 seconds. Make sure you put your timer on too. 30 seconds. Okay, off I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, what do you think? I got 15 on my first turn and I got 13 on my second turn. Do you think let me see, do you think I got more on my first time or more on my second time? Let's write down our number first. So I need for my 13, I need a 1 and a 3. So on my second turn, I got 13. Have a look at my 2 numbers here, 15 and 13. Do you think I got more on my first turn or more on my second turn? Let's have a look. So the tens are the same. The units, or which is more on my units, 5 or 3? Yeah, I got less on my second turn because the units, the 3, is less than 5. So I got 2 less on my second turn. I'm going to write, I think my pen is just about had enough. There we go. You might not be able to see it, but I've got the number 2 just there. 2 less. Okay. I think, what do you think? Can I beat my first and second turn? Can you beat your first and second turn? Can you get the highest score you've had out of all of them? Okay, let me pop my timer on ready. I need to see if I can get a higher number than 15 this time to see if I can beat all of my scores. Okay. 30 seconds is on. Okay, this is the super challenge. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I didn't manage to beat it, but that's fine. Let's write our final number down. Hopefully my pen will work. There we go. 13 now. What do you recognise about any of these numbers? Got 15, 13 and 13 were my scores. Is there anything that you notice that's the same? You're right. These 2 numbers are the same, aren't they? I scored 13 on my second turn and 13 on my third turn. You're all right. So my first go was my highest number, okay? So see if you can try 3 rounds and make sure that you write your numbers down for how many you score each time in the 30 seconds. And remember, if you want to challenge yourself, use a smaller ball, okay? And I look forward to seeing how you get on. All right, bye.